Hello everyone, in this video I will be dealing with the operations that are performed on the binary numbers. So they are nothing but the binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication and binary division. Okay, so let us see the operations now that are performed on the numbers. So first let us consider the binary addition. Okay, this is a binary addition. So you all know about the decimal addition. Like if I give 1 plus 8, then you will be telling it as 9, right? And then if I tell 10 plus 1, then what it will be? You will be adding this first LSB and then you will be taking this second bit. So that will be 11. And suppose if it is 11 and 9, so 1 plus 9 it is 10. 10 means it is out of range for the decimal number because you have only 0 to 9 digits. So the next value will be 10. 10 means you know how to reset it. You have to reset and you have to add the next column. So in this case, you will be writing 0 and you will be taking 1 as a carry. So next it will become 2. So the similar method we are going to perform in the binary addition also. Okay, so there are some rules regarding the binary addition. So let us see what are those rules. So you will have A, you will have B, and always the binary addition, it consists of sum and carry along with the augend and the addend. Okay, so suppose this is my first number, this is called as augend, and this is the second number, this is called as the addend, right? You all know about this, and whatever this is sum, this is sum, and you know about the carry also. So here also you will be having that sum and carry. Suppose my A and B are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Why I am taking 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1? Because we know that in binary only two digits are allowed, that is 0 and 1. Because binary is base 2, so the maximum digit that is allowed in the binary will be r minus 1, that will be 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. So 0 plus 0, obviously it will be giving you 0. 0 plus 1, it will be giving you 1. 1 plus 0, it will be giving you 1. 1 plus 1, what happens to 1 plus 1? You know 1 and 1, if you add, you will be getting 2, right, in decimal. So what is 2 in binary? It is nothing but it is 1, 0, 1, 0. So here I will be taking this as a sum and this part as a carry. Okay, so here sum will be 0. So here the carry generated is 0, carry generated is 0, here also it is 0, but here the carry is generated. So this is equal to 1. Okay, this is equal to 1. So this is the binary addition rules. Okay, so now let us see some of the problems. Okay, suppose I will be taking 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. And how you are going to perform the binary addition on these two numbers. Okay, so now we have to start with the least significant bit, LSB. So 0 and 1, according to the binary addition rules, we know that the sum is 1. 1 and 1, it is 2, that is nothing but 1, 0, where 0 is the sum, 1 is the carry. So 0 and 1 is the carry. Again you got 1 and 1 because it's 0 here. So 1 and 1, once again it is 2, that means 0 is the sum, 1 is the carry. So 1 and 1, once again it is the same, 0 is the sum, 1 is the carry, and that is taken directly here to the main significant bit. So now we have to verify if this is right or not. You know 1010, this is equivalent to the decimal 10. You have already studied about the hexadecimal number system. You know how to convert the binary to the number, right, decimal number. So you have to, if this is my number, we are going to add the weights of that particular thing. So this is 2 to the 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 and 2 to the power 3. This is 8, this is 0, this is 2 and this is 0. So 8 plus 2, that will be equal to 10. Okay, if you are adding the weights, then you will be getting the decimal value. So this is 10, this is already we know 7. So the resultant should be having the value 17. So we will check if the value is 17. This is 2 to the power 0, 1, 2, 3. This is 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power of 4 plus 2 to the power 0, which is equal to 17. So whatever the result you have obtained is right. This is a verification method. Okay, so next let us take 1, 1, 1, 1. This is 3, this is 3. So resultant should be 6. Let us check. 1 plus 1, once again 0, 1 is carry. Now you have 1 plus 1 plus 1. Only if you have 1 and 1, 0 will be sum, 1 will be carry. Now you have got 0, sum is 0, 0 plus 1, 1 will be sum. And already 1 carry is generated. So 1 sum, 1 carry. So 1 sum, 1 carry, that carry it is taken here. And you know 110 is nothing but it is 6. Okay, so this is the binary addition. Okay, now let us take another operation, that is the binary subtraction. Binary subtraction. In this case, you will be having minuend, you will be having the subtrahend. Okay, minuend minus subtrahend. This is what we are going to follow in all the decimal or all the number systems. Minuend minus subtrahend. Same thing in the binary. Okay, so we have the different rules here. Once again, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Here we will be having 2. Instead of sum and carry, we will be having difference and borrow. So what will be the difference of this? 0. 0 and 1 difference is 1. 1 and 0 difference is 1. 1 minus 1 it is 0. So in which case we are taking the borrow? 0 minus 0 we are not taking any borrow. 1 minus 1 we are not taking any borrow. 0 minus 1. Is it possible to subtract the higher value from the lower value? No. It is possible only if you take a borrow. So here you are taking the borrow. Here 1 minus 0, higher value minus lower value. So no need of taking any borrow. So this is the rules for the binary subtraction. So you are going to subtract this and whatever you are going to get, that will be your difference. Right? That will be your difference. So let us take one example. 10011 minus 1001. So subtract this. So 1 minus 1, we know 1 minus 1 difference is 0, borrow is 0. So 1 0 we can directly subtract it. 0 minus 0 0. And here we are going to take the borrow. So if I am taking the borrow from this, it is giving its 1 here. So 1 minus 1 this becomes 0. But if you are taking 1 0, this will be 2. 1 0 is 2. So 2 minus 1 will be 1. So answer will be 1010, which is 10. 1001 is 9. What about this value? It is 1, it is 2, 4, 8 and here it will be 16. So 16 plus 2, 18 plus 1, 19. So 19 minus 9, that will be obviously giving you 10. This is a verification process. Converting it to decimal, subtract it and see whether the resultant has the same value. Okay, so just remember when you are taking the borrow from this, it becomes 10. 2 has the value 10 in binary. So this is your 2. So 2 minus 1 will be equal to 1. Okay, so this has given the value to the previous digit. So this becomes 1 minus 1, that becomes 0. Okay, so this is subtraction. So let us take another one. So 1110 minus 1001. Subtract this. So here we are not able to subtract directly because it is lower value, this is the higher value. So I will take the borrow from this. So since it is giving a borrow, this becomes 0. Since it is taking a borrow 10, this is becoming 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is 5. This is 9. What about this? This is 14. So 14 minus 9 will be always equal to 5. So this is the answer. We have also verified using the decimal values of this particular thing. Okay. So another thing you have to remember is if you want to add the binary points, means if you are having the fraction part also here. Okay, 101.1, 101.1. Start with this only. Don't alter this binary point. Start from this. So 1 1 is 0. 1 1 is 0. Already 1 carry is there. But sum 1. So 1 carry. So this will be the value. Put this point in the same position. So 1 0 1 1. This is 11. So this is 5.5. This is 5.5. So if you are adding 5.5 with 5.5, you are going to get 11. So this is the right answer. So next we have binary multiplication. Binary multiplication. So what are the rules? 0 into 0, 0 into 1, 1 into 0, 1 into 1. So 0 into 0 will be 0, 0 into 1 will be 0, 1 into 0 will be 0, 1 into 1 will be 1. Okay, so whatever the number you are multiplying with 0, you will be getting the answer as 0 itself. So this is the values. So this is the multiplication rules. So suppose you have 101 into 101. How are you going to perform this? It is similar to the decimal multiplication. You have to start with the least significant bit of this number and you have to multiply with the whole number. So 1 into 101, that will be 101. Then you will be adding something. So 0 into 101, you are going to get 3 zeros. Once again 0. So 1 into 101, once again you are going to get 101. And here you are going to perform binary addition. So this is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 2, that means 0 is sum, 1 is carry. So 1 plus 0 is 1, this is 1. So what is the value of this? So this is your 5, this is your 5, this should be 25. Check it. So this value is 1, 2, 4, 8 and this is 16. So 16 plus 8 is 24, 24 plus 1 is 25. So is the answer right? So start with the least significant bit of a number. So this is your multiplicand, this is your multiplier. Okay, multiplier. So this is all about the binary multiplication. Similarly, if you are going for the division, okay, 1 divided by 1 is 1, 0 divided by 0 it's obviously undefined. 1 divided by 0 is also undefined. You know 1 divided by 0 will be infinity, right? So 1 divided by 0 is undefined. 0 divided by 1 will be equal to 0. So this is the division. So you can go for the long division method and you have to perform this binary division. Suppose you are going to get 101 divided by 101. So this is a long division method. This is my dividend. This is my divisor. Okay, this is my divisor. Here you are going to get the quotient and here you are going to get the remainder. So 101 into 1 will be 101. So I will take directly 1 and I will write 101. The remainder is 0. So quotient is 1, remainder is 0. Okay, so suppose you have the different values. Like suppose I will be taking 101101 divided by 101. How you are going to perform this? See here you can see it is same. So I will take 1 first. If I subtract this, I am going to get 0, 0, 0. If I take this 1, it is 1 is not divisible by 5. This 101. So I will add 1 0. I will take this down. Once again it is not divisible. I will take 0. Once again I will take this down. Now this is divisible. So it is 1, 101. So this is my quotient. This is my remainder. Okay, so this is similar to the decimal division. Okay, so 1 is not divisible, so I am adding zeros here and I will be taking another bit down. Once again it is not divisible, I will put 0 here, I will take the next bit down. Now once again I will check whether it is divisible. So simplification process or the verification process is convert it to decimal. Okay, so this is my 5. What about this value? It is 1, 2, 4. Then you have 8, 16, 32. So 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 32 is 45. So 45 divided by 5, it is 9. So quotient what you have obtained 1001 is 9. Remainder will be 0. So this is the verification process. So this is all about the binary addition, subtraction, multiplication and the division.